What a dog.
It's Milo!
Oh, look at him. There he is. There he is. We just make it up, man.
Alright.
This is impromptu show.
Steven, you need to move over a bit so that you're in there. There we go.
Hey, and welcome to the next installment of the project. Finally. We've got the frame here, as you can see around the corner.
Because once it's painted, we have to put it back together and we got no clue.
Yeah, so it's a double P.
Paint and plan.
So before we started all this, there was primer.
Sandblasted.
It was sandblasted. It was primed.
You gotta bump up the intensity, bro. Gotta maintain that intensity.
Come on, Mikey. That's why we got you here.
Oh, Taylor Swift!
See, easy,
Shake it off.
That's what.
That's so cool.
No.
You dancing, man? Oh yeah, you mixing the corner too? Alright, this
Thanks for watching, guys. So today, as you can see, we got through quite a bit of the painting. Not really. We missed the spot.
Milo was very handy with sleeping. He did that really well. So we're just doing the painting, as you can see, and we're gonna make a bit of a plan of what needs to be done.
Bye bye.
Oh yeah. See you next time, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Oh yeah.
You gonna communicate to the people? You roll over. Roll over.
You can borrow.
Good boy. That's your communication.